The most annoying thing about asset management company is everybody seems to know about what it is, but no one is able to tell you what it is. Today, I'm going to tell you what functions are within an asset management company. So if you're thinking about developing a career in asset management, stay tuned. First thing first, what exactly is an asset management company? Asset management companies specialize in making financial products known as funds. That's why when you hear fund houses, that is the same as asset management companies. These funds can be tailored to specific countries, like investing in the Asia markets, or they can invest in specific industries, think tech companies and health science. I will include a link below just to give you an example of a list of funds currently being offered by BlackRock, which is the largest asset manager in the world. Now, let's look at what happens once an investor like you decide to invest in one of these funds. It is a well-orchestrated process with various business functions to fulfill the client order. Let's break it down one by one. Sales and marketing. Our journey starts here. These are the folks responsible for promoting funds and convincing investors that they are worth considering. If you're good at sales and can simplify complex concepts, this might be your calling. Client advisors. After the sales pitch, client advisors step in. They help clients make informed investment choices based on their financial goals. You will need to have strong interpersonal skills. Financial knowledge is essential. Client service. Ensuring clients have a seamless client experience is crucial. If you are a people person and can handle client inquiries, this could be your niche. Product development. Constantly innovating to create new funds that cater to changing market demands and investor preferences. A strong financial background and a creative mindset can help here. Product development produces fund offering documents. Research analysts, data scientists, and ESG specialists support portfolio managers by giving them analysis. Research analysts. With a potential investment in mind, research analysts investigate the market, analyze assets, and provide insights that guide investment decisions. A degree in finance or economics is often required. Data scientists. Data scientists make use of data to make informed investment choices and manage risks. Strong analytical skills and a degree in data science or a related field are valuable. ESG specialists. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. ESG specialists ensure investment align with sustainable and ethical principles. A background in sustainability or related fields is often preferred. Portfolio managers. These are the experts who oversee the actual investment portfolios, making strategic decisions on what assets to buy, hold, or sell to achieve the fund's objective. A strong track record in finance and often a CFA destination is pretty much a must. Traders. When the orders comes in, traders are the action heroes who execute the trade by buying or selling assets within the fund. They need to understand market conditions and make a quick analysis on the best time to execute the trades. A passion in stock market will help. Cash operations. Managing the cash flows within the fund to ensure there's enough liquidity to meet investor demands and cover expenses. Finance or accounting qualifications are common here. Asset servicing. This function involves safekeeping of assets, income collection, facilitating proxy voting, and handling corporate actions like mergers or stock splits. A strong understanding of financial operation is crucial. Fund accounting. Responsible for calculating the fund's net asset values, or NAV, which represents the value of the fund's asset minus its liabilities and expenses. Accounting or finance degree are typically required. Transfer agency manages investor records, handles subscription and redemption requests, and maintains the shareholder registry. Strong organizational skill and attention to details are key in this role. Guideline management. Ensuring investment adhere to the fund's guidelines and regulations. Minimizing risk associated with non-compliance. These guideline rules are automated. You need a bit of coding skills here to implement the rules. Performance analysis. Performance analysts monitor and evaluate the fund's performance against benchmark and communicate this to investors. Strong analytical skills are essential. Clients reporting. Responsible for creating and delivering reports to clients, keeping them informed about the performance and status of their investments. Legal and compliance. These experts ensure that all activities within the asset management company adhere to legal and regulation requirements, minimizing legal risk and liabilities. Internal audit. Internal auditors assesses the company's internal controls, risk management practices, and compliance with internal policies and external regulations. Risk. Risk professionals focus on identifying, assessing, and managing risk associated with investments to protect investors and the company. No, I didn't include IT. It's obvious every function has its respective tech support team. So there you have it, guys. Here are the 19 business functions. Asset management is a symphony of functions working together to fulfill investment orders and generate return for investors like you. If you have more questions about any of these functions and want to explore a specific career path, drop a comment below and I'll answer them in the next video. Anyway, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative contents. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.